Many new EV owners are shocked by the hidden performance. The quiet exterior hides a punch that can leave even seasoned drivers grinning in disbelief. But performance isn't just about 0 to 60 times. Handling, feedback, and the overall driving experience matter just as much to enthusiasts. On winding roads, gas-powered cars can still have an edge: lighter weight, more feedback, and the joy of shifting gears. The connection between driver and machine is heightened by the need to manage power and momentum through every corner. The experience of managing power is a skill many drivers love. Mastering a manual transmission or finding the perfect line through a curve is a reward in itself. So, the performance gap is complex. It's not just about speed, but about the sensations and involvement each type of car offers. For instance, shocking acceleration. EVs are king. Their technology delivers a new kind of thrill that's redefining what performance means. For classic sound-filled driving, gas engines still put on a great show. The symphony of pistons, valves, and exhaust is a performance all its own. Both offer thrills, just in different ways. Whether you crave the futuristic rush of electricity or the nostalgic roar of gasoline, there's a performance car for every kind of enthusiast. So, which rush do you crave? The silent surge of instant torque or the symphony of a roaring engine? The choice is yours, and either way, the thrill is guaranteed. One of the most exciting things about electric cars is how fast the technology is advancing. The heart of this revolution is the battery. Not long ago, an EV might go just 100 miles on a charge. Today, many can go 300 or more. Fast charging stations now add hundreds of miles in under half an hour. Some new systems aim for 100 miles in under 10 minutes.